Sewa Bharti Manipur and Dharmic continue flood relief effort in Manipur. In the wake of ongoing floods in Manipur, Sewa Bharti Manipur and Dharmic have been relentless in their efforts to provide relief to affected communities. Over the past 5 days, these organizations have extended crucial assistance to almost 700 families in areas including Nagaram, Namdulong, Kumalampak and Maivako, spanning both Imphal West and East District. In a video message, founder of Dharmic, Hanuman Das, said, Dharmic is so pleased to be working alongside Sewa Bharti in helping flood-affected victims in Manipur. He also expressed his gratitude to volunteers of Sewa Bharti, Dharmic and other organizations who have come forward to help the flood victims in these difficult times. The relief effort encompassed distributions of essential supplies such as rice, lentils, onions and potatoes, mustard oil, soybean, addressing the immediate food needs of flood-affected families. Additionally, the provisions of mosquito nets to mitigate the risks of vector-borne diseases, ensuring the well-being of residents amidst challenging conditions. Recognizing the specific needs of women, Sewa Bharti Manipur and Dharmic also included sanitary pads in their relief packages, acknowledging the importance of menstrual hygiene management in disastrous situations. The continuous efforts of these local teams underscore their commitment to serving vulnerable populations during times of crisis.
We're so pleased to be working alongside Sewa Bharti in Manipur to help people who are very badly affected by the floods, waist high in water, houses full of mud and soil and soot, all of the possessions damaged. I'm really feeling bad for all of these people who are suffering so much, but let us do whatever we can to help others. I'm so proud of all the Dharmic volunteers and Sewa Bharti team and other volunteers who are coming forward to help people in Manipur during this most difficult of times. Let us as a community take global responsibility for helping people in need who are suffering from these effects of the floods, and make sure that nobody goes hungry, that we provide ration kits and food towards people, protect people from the mosquitoes that are ravaging their homes, and give them an opportunity to live a just and happy life, and support them